Hello waving hand viewers, my channel YouTube Life Car 182 detailed overview of German cars. German cars are renowned worldwide for their engineering precision, innovation, luxury, and performance. Brands like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Audi, Volkswagen, and Porsche dominate global markets, offering vehicles ranging from affordable hatchbacks to high-performance sports cars and luxury sedans. One major German car brands and their specialties. 1.1 Mercedes-Benz, founded 1926. Focus, luxury, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. Popular models: S-Class, ultimate luxury sedan, packed with advanced tech. E-Class, executive sedan with a balance of performance and elegance. C-Class, a smaller, sporty luxury sedan. GLE and GLC, high-end SUVs with luxurious features. AMG series, high-performance models with powerful engines. Tech highlights: MBUX infotainment system with AI voice control. 4MATIC all-wheel drive system. Active safety and driver assistance features. 1.2 BMW Bayerische Motorenwerke, founded 1916. Focus, sporty handling, driver-focused experience, and powerful engines. Popular models: 3 Series, a perfect blend of sportiness and luxury. 5 Series, executive sedan with a powerful engine lineup. 7 Series, ultra-luxurious sedan with futuristic features. X5 and X7, premium SUVs with top-tier performance. M Series, M3, M4, M5, high-performance sports models. Tech highlights: iDrive infotainment system with gesture control. X-Drive intelligent all-wheel drive. M Sport tuning for high-performance driving. 1.3 Audi, founded 1909, part of Volkswagen Group. Focus, advanced technology, quattro all-wheel drive, and elegant design. Popular models: A4 and A6, sleek, feature-packed executive sedans. Q5 and Q7, luxurious SUVs with advanced tech. R Series, Rs3, Rs6, Rs7, performance-oriented sports sedans. R8, supercar with a V10 engine and stunning design. Tech highlights: Quattro AWD system, enhances grip and stability. Virtual cockpit, fully digital instrument cluster. AI-assisted autonomous driving in premium models. 1.4 Volkswagen VW, founded 1937. Focus, reliable, efficient, and affordable vehicles for everyday use. Popular models: Golf, a versatile hatchback, known for efficiency and fun driving. Passat, mid-size sedan with German engineering. Tiguan and Touareg, well-built SUVs for families. ID Series, ID.3, ID.4, ID.Buzz, fully electric vehicles. GDI and R models, performance-focused versions of VW cars. Tech highlights: MQB platform, versatile and efficient vehicle architecture. Digital cockpit, customizable digital display. Electric revolution, ID series focusing on sustainability. 1.5 Porsche, founded 1931, part of Volkswagen Group. Focus, high-performance sports cars and luxury SUVs. Popular models: 911, legendary sports car with rear engine performance. Cayenne and Macan, performance-focused luxury SUVs. Taycan, all-electric sports car with extreme acceleration. Panamera, high-performance luxury sedan. Tech highlights: Porsche active suspension management PASM, adaptive dampers for best handling. Porsche traction management PTM, intelligent AWD system. turbo and hybrid technology, enhancing speed and efficiency. 2. German car engineering and technology. 2.1 Precision engineering. German manufacturers focus on build quality, aerodynamics, and high-performance engines. Their cars often have turbocharged engines for better efficiency and power. Lightweight materials, carbon fiber, aluminum for improved performance. Highly optimized aerodynamics for better fuel efficiency and handling. 2.2 Performance and driving experience. BMW S50:50 weight distribution ensures balanced handling. Mercedes Airmatic suspension provides the smoothest ride. Audi S4 AWD system enhances grip in all conditions. Porsche S rear engine setup in the 911 improves weight distribution. 2.3 Safety and driver assistance. German cars are at the forefront of autonomous driving and safety tech, offering adaptive cruise control, maintains distance from other vehicles. Lane keeping assist prevents unintended lane departures. Collision avoidance system detects and prevents crashes. 360-degree cameras improves parking and maneuvering. 3 German car categories. 4 German car reliability and maintenance. German cars offer top-tier performance but require regular maintenance. Here's what to expect. Longevity. Well-maintained German cars can last 200,000 plus miles. Cost of repairs, higher than Japanese or Korean cars, but justified by quality. Common issues, electronics, advanced systems can be complex to repair. Oil consumption, some high-performance engines burn oil faster. Transmission wear, DSG and automatic gearboxes require regular servicing. 5 The future of German cars, electric and autonomous tech. Germany is leading the electric vehicle EV revolution with brands like Porsche Taycan and Audi e-tron GT, luxury electric sports sedans. Volkswagen ID series, affordable electric mobility. BMW i Series i4, 9, futuristic, high-performance electric cars. Mercedes EQ Series EQC, EQS, EQB, luxury EVs with long-range capabilities. Autonomous driving developments. Mercedes Drive Pilot, Level 3 autonomous driving. Audi AI Traffic Jam Pilot, hands-free driving in slow traffic. BMW Highway Assistant, semi-autonomous driving with lane-changing capability. Conclusion. German cars are known for their luxury, performance, cutting-edge technology, and engineering excellence. Whether you want a high-speed sports car Porsche 911, an executive luxury sedan Mercedes S-Class, or an eco-friendly VW ID.4, German automakers offer top-tier vehicles across all categories. Would you like more details on a specific brand or model?